Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you how to make your video being reversed on Capcut application on your mobile phone. So here I already have the project to show to you, so let's check out the project first. So I have this normal video running on my project, but then I would like to make it like go normally, and for the next clip I want them to being reversed. So the first thing we have to do, we need to copy this clip. You just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to slide this part into the left side until you find copy tools. Here we go, we already find it. You just need to go click this copy, and now we already have this second video that exactly the same with the first or the primary video. And to make this reverse, you just need to slide these features again into the left side until you found a reverse tools. So reverse tools will be symbolized by this part. You just need to go click it and wait until these tools are applying into your clips. And now let's have a check. So this video is going reverse. Let's check from the beginning. So this video is going normally, but then there will be going reversed for the next. So that's the way how to make your video reversed on Capcut application. Hopefully this tutorial is get you so well. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe for another tutorials.